I have here another product review for consideration for your either bug out location to have pre-stocked on hand, or tossing inside supply caches in the field, or tossing inside your bug out bags, or your to-go gear, or have inside your vehicle for emergency purposes. I have here a packet of Mountain House chicken fajita bowl. Now, we tried a few newer items this weekend, ones that we haven't had before, to see what everybody thought of it. Now, this bowl I think has been out for about 2 to 3 years, and we're only just now getting around to give it a try. According to the description on here, it comes with seasoned chicken white meat with rice, black beans, and fire roasted peppers. Nutrition information on this: 560 calories per pack, 26% total fat for the day, 37% cholesterol for the day, 57% sodium, 22% total carbs, proteins 37%, vitamin D 0%, calcium 4%, iron 20%, potassium 20%. Now, just like with any Mountain House meal, you're going to heat up some water, open the pack up while it's heating up, put in the amount that it asks for. This one wants 1.5 cups of boiling water into the pouch. Seal it up, and it says let it sit for 5 minutes. I would let it sit for 10 like you normally do with a Mountain House pouch, because of the black beans that are inside here. They do need a little bit extra time to rehydrate. Now, going from that into what was it like after giving it 10 minutes. The rice rehydrated fine. The beans were a little bit on the rubbery side. They were rehydrating. They weren't fully rehydrated yet, but they weren't crunchy. Edible, no problem. Meat, no problem. That was hydrated enough too, was not crunchy. Now, the taste on this. All of us that tried the taste test did like it. The only thing any of us added extra into it was a little bit of salt, maybe a little bit of pepper. One person did talk about they thought that just for their personal taste, about putting in a little bit of cayenne pepper just to kick up the spiciness level a little bit. All of us do recommend it. The amount that comes in a pouch here should pretty much fill you up as a meal, but we do recommend probably have something as a side to go with it. And I do have an item that I will be doing a review on here, which was something that all of us kind of agreed on would pair really good with this when you're out in the field. If you're hiking, camping, you're in a survival situation, whatever it is. But overall, this will pretty much fill you up. You could use a little bit more, but this does a pretty good job. The amount of water you put in it does seem to be the right amount. Everything was hydrated the way it should be. It's not supposed to be a soup. It's not supposed to be a stew. It's just supposed to be a rice dish like it looks here. So, all of us give it a thumbs up. We do recommend it. It has a really good taste. The price on this, from what we can find on it, it looks like the average on this is going to be between your $12 to $14 range, depending on the store you will find these in. Some stores will have them for more. Websites will sometimes have them for more, and sometimes you can look out, get a hold of them cheaper if there's a sale. So, chicken fajita bowl, it is recommended. It is a good addition to your food repertoire, to your caches in the field. It will help alleviate any food fatigue you're going to get from your normal, beans and rice and beans. So potentially you could look up and come up with your own version of this also to do with the basic ingredients in the field. But for a quick meal, one that will fill you up or at least get you mostly there, we do recommend this. Now, for all my engineer brothers in the Patriot and militia movements, always remember, essayons.